What's going on? Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to make beauty related stuff, start now by subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Here are the list of some essential oil that I'll be using to make my aloe vera oil. The argan oil or argan oil. That's my spray bottle for my aloe vera leave-in conditioner. Up next, my extra virgin oil, extra virgin olive oil, and that will be my shea butter. Then that's my coconut, though it's small, but it can go a long way. So next, I'm going to chop my aloe vera. I'll divide the chopped aloe vera into two equal halves. The first half for the aloe vera leave-in conditioner and the second half for the oil. Next, I'm going to scoop out the aloe vera gel from the back of the aloe vera, and then I'm going to blend it. Okay, I'm done blending it. So next is I'm going to sieve it to separate the aloe vera leave-in conditioner from the chaff, the ones that refuse to blend. Now I'm extracting the aloe vera leave-in conditioner from the chaff. If you're enjoying this video, please like it, give it a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe. To use this leave-in conditioner, spray it to the roots of your hair and work your way to the ends of the hair while you massage it. And you can also use this aloe vera leave-in conditioner as often as you want and as many times as you want, but you will have to do it after you've had your hair wash. To make the aloe oil, I'm going to pour in little extra virgin oil into my pot and heat for 10 minutes on low heat. After 10 minutes, pour in your aloe vera and allow to fry until brown. Once your aloe vera is brown, turn off your burner and allow to cool for another 10 minutes. Next, I mixed the shea butter and the coconut oil and I dropped it in a bowl of hot water so it can melt. Time to scoop out the aloe vera oil into my bowl of shea butter and coconut oil. To further enrich the oil, I'm going to pour in my argan oil, or is it argan oil? Then I'm going to mix it thoroughly. And here is a finished product. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.